Want to capture clear photos of your kid, but they keep moving around? This usually makes photos blurry or out of focus. That's where Samsung's tracking autofocus feature comes in. It helps keep moving subjects sharp and clear. In this video, I'll show you how to turn it on your Samsung phone. So let's get started. Method 1. Using settings. First, open settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on apps. Then scroll down again. Find the camera app. Now tap on it. Next, tap on camera settings. Scroll down a bit. Here, you'll find the tracking autofocus feature. Simply turn it on. Method 2. Using the camera app. Go to the home screen. Then open up the camera app. After that, tap on the settings icon from the top left corner. Then scroll down and the tracking autofocus feature. And then turn it on. And that's it. These are the steps to turn on tracking autofocus on your Samsung phone. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like. Thanks a lot for watching.